hashtag What is Mindfulness is my second book, but maybe for somebody that's coming new to mindfulness, I'd actually suggest that as the first book to go to, because it's really just the background. What is it? How to do it? What you want about? Is it Buddhism? You know, a bit of myth busting, a bit of a kind of sense of the context of this secular mindfulness or new versions of mindfulness. But also included is a really important chapter, which is like, why am I doing this? You know, and really taking the time to be thoughtful, because that will determine all your other decisions that you make about, do I go to a class, do I go to the library, do I go online, am I going to do it moving, sitting, standing, drawing, whatever. So I'd suggest go to hashtag What is Mindfulness first, get a kind of overall picture. Now, if what comes out of that is that you like to learn through the body, through movement, and your mind is like really super chaotic and agitated, I would suggest going to Mindfulness in Motion as the kind of how to do it program. But it may be that you can go and find something else as well that's not movement.